Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to export all basically your Excel orders. So we're gonna go through all of this since downloading your order history from AC is perfect for bookkeeping and even taxes. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to download the CSV of AC orders in 2026. Fast and easy. As usual, let's get started. So first, we're gonna go open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, then go look for etsy.com. So this is the website. We're gonna tap on it. Then all the way here, go and log in using your email address and password to access the shop manager. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on this icon, shop manager, in the top right corner. Then go and look for orders and shipping. Now tap on download data. Choose orders, then select your date range. All you're gonna do now is tap on download CSV. Your orders report will download to your device immediately. As for like bonus tips, download monthly reports for easier accounting. You can also use the CSV for tax filing or giving to your accountant basically. It's pretty doable. Also double check the date range before exporting. And that's the whole idea here, that's what we all want. So I will say it again, just to make sure you all got this. Go, open the platform, log in using your email address and password, go all the way to the shop manager, look for orders and shipping, download data, choose orders, then select your date range and download CSV. So thank you all for watching, I will see you all in the next video.